In this video, I will show you how to import the multiple columns, okay, from Excel into the view space. I think some of you also prepare the BQ, already have a BQ in Excel format with multiple types. Okay, same also if you attend our go through our previous video. Actually, yeah lah, you need to remove all this thing. Okay, same also you need to remove. Okay, for example, this is my type A quantity, type B quantity, and type C quantity. Okay, so I have three types here. Okay, so if I want to import, okay, so I go to the view space. Okay, so I go to add the bill. Let's say bill number 2, save. Okay, so when you open this bill already, create this bill, and then you double click to open the bills, and then you go to bill properties. You can add the type here, add. Okay, so I have a type B. Let's say how many units, you can just type here 5 units, let's say. So click the save button here, and then type C. Let's say got 8 units, save here, and then you can edit. Okay, so you can go to, let's say, type A. So you can, how many units here, you can just type, let's say 3 units, save. Okay, so now you can proceed to import. Okay, so if you want to import, I go back to the Excel file. Okay, so I just need to remember this column is a type A, B, C quantity, and then the rates. Okay, if you have the rate, you can import also. So I go to remove this. Same also like our standard import format. The first row is imported as the element name, and then you need to make sure every item have the blank row. Okay, and then you can import multiple sheet also. Okay, but you must make sure the multiple sheet also have the same column. Like this one, column C is a description, column D is a unit, E is a type A, B, C. So same also for the rest of the sheet also, you need to make sure it's the same. Okay, so that you can import properly. So now I go to save. Okay, so I can go to the view space here. I can go to import from file, Excel. Okay, so I can select. Okay, so I can select that Excel file. Let's say D drive just now, multi-type. So I can match a column. You can see here, come out type ABC. So you need to match. Let's say this one is a C is a description, D is a unit, E, F, G is a type ABC, and H is a rates. So I go back to the view space, C to C, and then D, E, F. Okay, and then okay, F, G. Let's say C, D, E, F, G, and H is for rates. Okay, so you can double check. Okay, H is for rates. So you can just click import, and then you can see the preview, and then you can just tick all quantity and rates, import. Okay, so when you imported, you can double click, you can see the multiple type here. Okay, so you can double click, so you can see the different type quantity, and then you can print out lah. Okay, as usual, you go to elements, and then you can print out the BQ here, print all. So it will print in landscape format. Okay, so this BQ it will print in landscape format, so you can see from here. Okay, so you can see the preview here in PDF. Okay, so this is how to, yeah, the printing format for the landscape. Okay.